In today's video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to make money online selling on eBay. Selling on eBay is one of the best ways to get started making money online. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll not only start selling successfully, but you'll also build a sustainable business. I'll break down everything from setting up your account to scaling your store into a profitable venture. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first question that might be coming to mind is why choose eBay? So before we dive into the technical steps, let's just talk about why eBay is such a great platform for selling. With over 138 million active users, eBay provides a massive marketplace where you can sell almost anything. Unlike other platforms, eBay offers flexibility in product categories, pricing, and fulfillment options. So whether you're flipping thrift store finds, drop shipping, or creating a branded store, eBay's global reach gives you access to millions of buyers daily. So now that we understand why eBay is such a great platform, let's go ahead and get started with how you can start selling on eBay. Step 1, create your eBay account. So setting up your eBay account is the first step to starting your business, and here's how to do it. First thing we're gonna do is head over to eBay.com and get registered. So when you go over to eBay, we're gonna go ahead and click on register here up at the top. So here you can go ahead and choose between a personal account or a business account. Now, if you're just starting out, then a personal account is just fine. You can always switch to a business account later. When getting signed up with eBay, you want to make sure that you provide accurate information. eBay requires your full name, address, date of birth, and payment details for verification. So be honest and thorough here, because eBay performs a soft credit check to confirm your identity. Next, we're going to set up your payment method. Here, you're going to want to add your bank account information so that you can receive payouts. eBay's managed payment system really makes this process seamless. Next, you're going to customize your account. Here, you can change your username to something professional or niche specific. Add a profile photo and consider creating a banner if you're planning to brand your store. So now that your account is live, you're ready to start listing items. Step 2, go ahead and decide what type of seller you want to be on eBay. eBay offers flexibility in how you run your business. It's important to choose a selling model that suits your budget, experience, as well as your goals. Here are 3 of the most common types of sellers on eBay. Resellers. Resellers buy items at a low cost from thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sections and flip them for a profit on eBay. This method requires some time for sourcing, but offers high profit margins if you know what to look for. Next is drop shippers. So drop shippers list items that they don't physically own. When an item sells, they purchase it from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This model requires less upfront investment, but demands research into reliable suppliers and careful management of shipping times. Private label sellers. So private label sellers buy products in bulk, often from manufacturers, and sell them under their own brand. This model requires more capital, but allows for greater control over your product and branding. Now, don't make a rash decision here. Be sure to take some time to research these models and decide which one fits your goals best. If you're unsure, just start with reselling. It's the easiest and lowest risk way to get started. Step 3, build your feedback score. Your feedback score is one of the most critical factors in your success as a seller. A high score builds trust with buyers, while a low or non-existent score can deter potential customers. Here's how you can increase your feedback score. Buy low-cost items. Purchasing cheap items on eBay can help you build feedback as a buyer, which also contributes to your overall score. Look for digital items or small products priced under $5. Deliver great service. When you make your first sales, be sure to focus on the following: shipping items quickly, within 24 hours of the purchase, packaging items securely to prevent damage during transit, including a personal thank you note to leave a positive impression. Maintain consistency. Aim for 100% positive feedback by ensuring that every buyer has a great experience. Mistakes happen, but resolving issues professionally can often prevent negative feedback. Pro tip: set a goal to reach at least 50 positive ratings as quickly as possible. This milestone will significantly improve buyer confidence. Step 4, understand eBay's seller limits. Now, when you start selling on eBay, you'll face seller limits. For most beginners, these limits are 10 items or $500 in sales per month. But don't let this discourage you. eBay uses these limits to ensure that new sellers aren't overwhelming the platform with low quality listings. So here's how to increase your limits over time. Sell consistently. Focus on high demand items that sell quickly. Ship on time. Upload tracking details promptly to build trust with eBay and your customers. Request limit increases. You can do this through your eBay account once a month or by calling eBay customer support. And here's a pro tip. If you plan to scale quickly, consider asking for a higher limit when you've successfully completed a few sales. Step 5, find products to sell. Choosing the right products is one of the most important steps. Start by selling items that you already own to learn the ropes of selling on eBay. Now, once you're ready to source inventory, consider the following methods. Around your home, just look for items like electronics, whether that's old phones, cameras, or headphones, books and DVDs, unused clothing or accessories, collectibles, and toys. These items require no upfront investment from you, and they often sell really quickly. Next is thrift stores and garage sales. So head over to your local thrift store, flea market, or garage sale to find hidden gems. Here's what you want to look for: brand name clothing, vintage items, small electronics. Use eBay's TerraPeak tool to check an item's sell-through rate and average selling price before purchasing. Wholesale and bulk purchases. Now, once you've gained some experience, consider buying inventory in bulk. This reduces your cost per unit and increases profit margins. Websites like Alibaba and Fair are excellent sources for wholesale goods. Product research tools. So finding profitable products is the cornerstone of your eBay success. To make this process efficient and data-driven, here are two powerful tools to consider: Jungle Scout and Analyzer.Tools. Jungle Scout is an industry-leading tool that helps Amazon sellers identify winning products, but its powerful features can also be leveraged to grow your eBay business as well. Some of the key features of Jungle Scout include its opportunity finder. Here you can discover trending product niches based on real sales data. This feature helps you identify items that customers are actively searching for. They also have a supplier database. This way you can quickly find reliable suppliers with verified shipment histories to source your products. They also have their Keyword Scout. So here you can use this tool to identify high-performing keywords and optimize your eBay listings for better visibility. Sales Analytics. Here you can track profitability and costs to ensure that your product choices are financially sound. So by using Jungle Scout, you can streamline your product research, find trustworthy suppliers, and build listings that attract buyers. Now, if you want to get started with Jungle Scout, we'll leave a link for it down in the description where you can get 30% off. Be sure to check the link down in the description. Next is Analyzer.Tools. If you're analyzing bulk inventory from suppliers or exploring niche products, Analyzer.Tools is a game changer. Originally designed for Amazon sellers, it's equally effective for eBay sellers as well who are looking to save time and maximize profits. Some of the key features include bulk spreadsheet scans. All you need to do is upload supplier lists with thousands of items and analyze them for profitability in minutes. Competing seller analysis. Here you can identify products sold by top competitors and source similar or better items. Historical sales data. Here you can understand trends in sales and pricing to make confident buying decisions. Brand IP alerts. Avoid issues by identifying restricted or high-risk brands before listing them. So Analyzer.Tools is perfect for sellers who need to quickly vet large amounts of inventory or dive deep into competitive analysis. If you want to get started with Analyzer.Tools, we'll leave a link for them down in the description below. What to look for in a product. So regardless of which tools you use, the most successful eBay products share these traits. Number 1 is evergreen appeal. These are items that sell year-round, avoiding seasonal dips. They're lightweight and small. This reduces shipping costs and increases profitability. Low defect rate. This minimizes returns and builds strong customer satisfaction. By integrating Jungle Scout or Analyzer.Tools into your workflow, you can simplify your product sourcing process and focus on building a profitable eBay store. Using Zendrop to fulfill orders on eBay. Streamlining your order fulfillment process is key to scaling your eBay business. And that's where Zendrop comes in. Zendrop is a drop shipping platform that allows you to source and fulfill products efficiently. Here's how to use it for eBay. So Zendrop simplifies inventory management and offers fast shipping options, which can help you maintain positive feedback and attract repeat buyers. So here's a step-by-step guide to fulfilling eBay orders with Zendrop. First, go ahead and find products to sell. Just use Zendrop's product search to browse trending items in your niche. Add these items to your eBay store manually, ensuring that titles and descriptions are optimized for SEO. Placing orders on Zendrop. Once you receive an order on eBay, go over to Zendrop and search for the product under Find Products. Here, click on the product card and select the sample order button. This feature allows you to manually enter the buyer's details, including shipping information. Then fulfill the order. So after confirming the order details, head over to Zendrop's orders page and click Fulfill Order to process the shipment. Make sure that you have a payment method saved in your Zendrop account to avoid delays. Then provide tracking details to eBay. So Zendrop will generate tracking information once the order's processed. Copy and paste this information into eBay's order details to keep your buyer updated and ensure smooth delivery. Pro tips for success with Zendrop. Stay proactive. Zendrop's Pro plan unlocks advanced features like bulk order processing, making it easier to scale. Monitor inventory levels. Ensure the products that you list on eBay are in stock to avoid cancellations or delays. So by integrating Zendrop into your workflow, you can focus more on growing your business and less on managing inventory or shipping logistics. If you want to get started with Zendrop, we'll leave a link for them down in the description below. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page here where you can go ahead and get 50% off Zendrop plus $200 in order credits, which is basically like free money. You'll also get access to the Zendrop Academy as well as the Zendrop community. If you want to get started and take advantage of this great offer, be sure to click the link down in the description below. Moving on to step 6, create high quality listings. Your eBay listing is your sales pitch. To stand out, make sure that your listings are detailed, professional, and optimized for eBay's search engine. Make sure to write a keyword-rich title. So your title should include the most important keywords. For example, here's a good title: Nike Air Max 270 men's running shoes, size 10, black and white. A bad one would be Nike shoes, size 10. Make sure to take clear photos as they're crucial for attracting buyers. Follow these tips for better photos. Use natural lighting and a plain white background. Include multiple angles like front, back, and both sides. Highlight flaws to manage buyer expectations. Be sure to use accurate item specifics. So fill out all the relevant fields, including brand, condition, whether that's new, used, or refurbished, and other things like size, color, and material. Unique identifiers like UPC or ISBN codes. Optimize your description. Keep it clear and concise. Make sure to include product features and dimensions, notes on condition, and shipping and return policies. Step 7, set competitive prices. Pricing your items correctly is essential, and here's how to do it. What you should do is research sold listings. Use the sold filter on eBay to see what similar items have sold for. Consider the condition. So price lower for used items with wear or flaws. And don't forget to factor in shipping. Free shipping can attract buyers, but make sure to account for it in the cost of your item. Pro tip, enable the best offer option to encourage negotiation. This can lead to faster sales. Step 8, ship like a pro. Shipping is a critical part of your eBay business, and make sure to follow these steps to ensure smooth delivery. Choose appropriate packaging. Make sure to use padded envelopes for small items. Sturdy boxes are ideal for fragile goods. Print shipping labels via eBay. eBay's discounted rates save you money and automatically includes tracking information for buyer confidence. Stick to your handling times. Ship items within 1 to 2 business days. And for a pro tip, offer same-day shipping for an edge over competitors. Step 9, promote your listings. Promoting your listings can increase visibility and boost your sales. eBay offers 2 main options: promoted listings. Pay a small percentage of your sale price price to have your item featured higher in search results. Start with a promotion rate of 3%. eBay SEO. Make sure to optimize your listings with keywords in the title, item specifics, and description. Use eBay's title builder tool in Zik Analytics for keyword suggestions. Step 10, scale your eBay business. Now, once you've mastered the basics, it's time to grow. And here's how to scale. Number 1, reinvest your profits. Use your earnings to source more inventory or to promote your listings. Number 2, upgrade to an eBay store. This way you can save on fees and access marketing tools like markdown sales. Explore new niches. Test different product categories to find what works best for you. And make sure to keep detailed records of all your sales, costs, and profits. Tools like QuickBooks or a simple spreadsheet can really help. And if you want to get started with QuickBooks, we have a link to get 30% off your first 6 months. Be sure to check out the link down in the description to save on QuickBooks. Creating a website to boost your eBay store. So an eBay store is a great start, but creating your own website takes your online selling game to the next level. A personal website helps build your brand, attract new customers, and even sell directly while linking back to your eBay listings. Here's how you can do it with Hostinger. But first, why use Hostinger? Hostinger is one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly hosting platforms, offering tools like WordPress and their easy-to-use website builder. With these, you can set up a professional-looking site in no time. So if you want to get started with Hostinger, we'll leave a link for them down in the description. And right now, at the time of recording, they're running a Black Friday special. So if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here, where you can see it's their biggest ever Black Friday sale, and you can get started for just $1.95 per month. All you need to do is click claim the deal. And here you can go ahead and choose from one of their 3 plans, the premium, business, or the cloud startup plan. Now, if this is your very first website, the premium plan is going to be more than enough for most of you. You can build up to 100 websites on this hosting plan. It has managed WordPress hosting, supports about 25,000 visits monthly, comes with 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, pre-built templates, free email, weekly backups, free domain for the first year, and so much more. So just click on choose the plan. And the last thing you need to do is go ahead and choose the term that you want to commit to, whether that's 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. For this example, we'll just do 12 months. And then the last thing that you're going to want to do here is go ahead and click on promo code and type in Charlie Chang, click apply. And for only $26.46, you can go ahead and get started with a Hostinger for a full year. Now, Hostinger also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out, see if it fits with your business style, and make your decision. Again, we'll leave a link down in the description, and don't forget to use code CharlieChang at checkout for extra savings. Now, if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And it's these commissions that really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from us. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.